Before you explore any franchise opportunity, there's one thing you deserve is clarity. So in the next 3 minutes, I'll walk you through how the award-winning Talent Corner franchise model works, what your role looks like, and what support comes from our side, so you can clearly understand why this is the right model for you. This is a low-investment, service-based business. There is no office to set up, no staff to hire, no physical infrastructure required. Most of our franchise partners run this business from home with a laptop, a phone, a stable internet connection, and about 3 to 4 focused hours a day. What matters here isn't space or scale. It's consistency, process, and execution. First, training and continuous learning. This is fully our responsibility. From structured induction programs to ongoing process guidance and support, we ensure you're prepared to handle recruitment assignments with clarity and confidence. Second, business development and sales. This is important to understand clearly. As a franchise partner, you do not have to do client acquisition or sales. That responsibility stays with Talent Corner. In fact, we commit to providing a steady flow of active job requirements every month so you can focus purely on recruitment execution. Third, servicing. This is the heart of the business. Your role focuses on the recruitment process itself, understanding job requirements, screening and shortlisting candidates, coordinating interviews, supporting closures with our guidance. This is where your effort, discipline, and consistency directly impact your earnings. Fourth, billing, collections, GST, and agreements. You don't have to manage paperwork or follow-ups. All financial processes are handled by the Talent Corner head office team. Fifth, tools and databases. We also support you with access to recruitment tools and candidate databases at a fraction of the market cost, helping you work efficiently from day one. Let's talk about how revenue works. Whenever a successful recruitment closure happens through you, the revenue is shared. We get paid an approx 1 month salary of the candidate. From that revenue, the franchise partner earns a 70% share. You focus on recruitment delivery. We handle the rest of the ecosystem. Now, coming to the investment. The overall investment varies from 3.5 lakh to 4.5 lakh based on the time you start and the tools you choose. The ROI period is between 9 to 12 months. All details are discussed transparently during a one-on-one conversation, so you can evaluate the opportunity clearly before making any decision. Talent Corner brings over 2 decades of experience in recruitment, 24 plus years in the industry, 30,000 plus successful recruitments, 3,800 plus client organizations, 100 plus franchise partners across India. This experience forms the backbone that supports every franchise partner. This is not a job. It is a business opportunity for people who want to build something of their own within a proven system and support structure. If this model aligns with how you think, the next step is simply a detailed conversation to explore how it supports the goals you're building toward.